there was a time na I cried for 3 days straight.
Very healthy and energetic na ulit si Mami Kris niya. I will be taking my multivitamins for today, si Fortima.
Welcome sa inyong lahat dito sa aming channel. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe para lagi kang notified. Kami si Justin and si Kris at ito ang aming simple life. Nood at comment down below. Please share and like this video.
Noong nag-post ako ng mga cryptic Instagram stories telling you guys how my heart was broken, sobrang daming nag-send sa akin ng mga personal messages, sometimes comments sa vlogs, na you go through the same thing, na sobrang love nyo pa rin ako despite of it all, and you appreciate me. I just want you guys to know na the same way na nararamdaman ninyo para sa akin, ganun din yung nararamdaman ko para sa inyo, kaya sobrang salamat. So, a little update about my broken heart. Well, medyo na lang siya. Medyo broken na lang siya. Ando na ako sa punto na I'm healing, but at the same time, konti na lang, konting-konti na lang talaga, magsha-shatter na si Mami Kris ninyo. Yung parang gasinulid na lang. If matanggal tong sinulid na to, taka, magsha-shatter ang mga bagay-bagay.
Let's go! Are you scared? Come on! Bibili tayo ng load. Whoa! What does it say? 250! Come on, let's go!
This is me. This is you.
Put down a bit. Let's go.
And to be honest with you, I had multiple mental breakdowns. Minsan, pag sinwerte ako, no? 2 sa isang linggo. And like what I shared with you last time, there was a time na I cried for 3 days straight. As in, konting kibot lang naiiyak ako. Pero mamaya ako na chika yan, ha? Inom muna tayo ng gamot and vitamins, baka makalimutan ko, which I did last week. Well, ang laking factor sa well-being natin, yung pagtitake ng vitamins, simpleng bagay lang to, simpleng task lang na pwede natin gawin para sa ating mga sarili, pero napaka-powerful. Kasi I feel like I take care of myself, which I haven't been doing so lately. Basta pag umiinom ako ng vitamins, ibig sabihin nun, inaalagaan ko yung sarili ko, parang ganon. After the prescription meds na binigay sa akin ng aking OB, ito pala yung tinitake kong vitamins ngayon, si Fortima. Fortima is a vitamin brand for women who need lakas ganda every day. It has Fortibella Complex TM, an effective combination of vitamin C, zinc, and vitamin E that gives immunity against common illnesses and healthy-looking skin. Oh, by the way, I discovered this nung nagpunta ako sa drugstore para bumili ng mga nireseta ni OB. Sakto that day, naubos na yung mga supply ko ng mga multivitamins sa bahay. So sabi ko, maybe I should try something new. So I got this. And talagang nung nakita ko yung Fortima is the everyday source of immunity plus healthy skin for women. Diba? Healthy skin. Yun talaga yung ding 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 para kay Mami Kris niyo. And maganda rin talaga kasi it contains 3 essential nutrients kagaya na na-share ko kanina, vitamin C, zinc, and vitamin E in just 1 tablet. $12.50 lang to. Ang mura. So remember mga kananay, take your vitamins. It's a simple kind gesture that will remind you of self-love. O diba, ang lalim na hugot natin, naiiyak ako. Nagtitake lang tayo ng vitamins, naiiyak na ako, ano ba yan? Pero teka, pakakalmahin ko muna yung sarili ko. Chikahan tayo ulit later.
Your money rules the world. Your freedom is one thing, but to be something.
Hi everyone! Nasa parking lang tayo. Maglalagay lang ako ng konting kulay sa aking labi. Ganang nakakakata. Di ba wala na akong naintindihan? Napakaputla ako kasi. Ay, ito yung tint ni, ang bango. Tint ni Get Ready With Me, Aloha. And shout out to May Layug kasi pinadala niya ako. Salamat. Congratulations sa iyong mga endeavors. Nakaka-proud. Ang ganda nito kulay na to. Parang malapit-lapit sa natural na na tone ng aking labi or shade.
If pareho tayo ng pinagdadaanan, if ganito ka rin ngayon, hindi siya madali, di ba? Mahirap kalaban ng sarili nating utak. Pero alam nyo, what saves me from giving up and completely losing it is empathy for myself. I'd like to believe na I have different versions of me inside. So yung empathic understanding self ko, yung mas pinalalabas ko na karakter sa utak ko, so I won't be dominated with dark thoughts about myself. And honestly, may mga times talaga na gusto ko na lang sarilinin to, yung parang medyo in denial tayo na wala tayong pinagdadaanan. To just put ourselves aside kasi may mga mas importante, mas may mga priority. Pero okay din na we seek help. Ewan ko if I shared this na sa vlog before, but I was doing therapy. Having someone to talk to who can share her objective observation sa akin, sa pinagdadaanan ko, and yung bang isang tao who can verbally say na my feelings are valid is so healing for me. Kahit na alam kong complete stranger siya. And having to share these things with you is so therapeutic too. Kasi may mga bagay ako dito na sa inyo ko lang nasasabi. Kasi mas ako to. I don't have to pretend na di ako naapektuhan, na carry ko lang, na kaya ko to, okay lang ako. Which I often do in front of my family. Siguro dahil na rin sa fear of judgment or alam ko nakakasa rin lang kasi ko. Kasi yung mental health, di ba? Parang hindi siya valid reason sa environment na kinalakihan ko.
So, it's been 2 days since nung nagpa-booster ako and halos isang araw lang ako nakaramdam ng side effect. Matinding sakit ng ulo na parang binibiyak yung ulo ko. Ganun lang. Pero today, very, very healthy and energetic na ulit si Mami Kris ninyo. Actually, nasa loob nga ako ng sasakyan ngayon. Papunta kami ng grocery kasi nagkikrave ako ng Indian food. So, bibili tayo ng mga pang Indian food na mga ingredients. But first, I will be taking my multivitamins for today, si Fortima. Meron pa ata akong isa pang natitira. Isa na lang. So, mag-replenish tayo ulit. Pagpunta ko sa grocery, titingnan ko kung meron din doon. So, ayan. Let's take our vitamins, mga kananay. Don't forget, it's important. So, dapat inaalagaan nyo rin yung sarili nyo. Maliban sa pag-aalaga nyo sa asawa nyo, sa mga anak nyo, ganun. Teka lang, wait lang. Okay. So, dahil dyan, ready na si Mami Kris to face the day. Tara na, punta tayo ng grocery! Let's go!
It's been months since I've been up and over, makes it so forgettable. I'm struggling to comprehend what's taking up my peace. I can't stand what's on the radio. I'd rather play Chicago while I'm driving to your neighborhood, speeding till I pop the roof off, but someone to say goodbye.
don't you think that sounds nice? And I still just don't understand. That night when you took my hand, I never felt it more so fast. I thought I never could deserve you. Gave me 'cause you knew my worth. I can't thank you enough for that. Used to look at the stars and wish for someone like you. Now, baby, we've come so far and never had so true.
Are you cooking?
Yes, I'm cooking rice.
Eating rice?
This is Indian rice.
The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know if where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, 'cause there I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view.
It's really hard to feel alone even if you're surrounded with good people. But know that you're not. Kahit di ka nila naiintindihan, ang mahalaga naiintindihan mo yung sarili mo. Subukan mo na intindihin yung sarili mo. Dapat kakampi mo yung sarili mo. And for those who still believe na, ay, sa isip mo lang yan. Never ever say that to someone na nag-reach out. Just be quiet. Be there. Sometimes that's enough. Yung pakinggan mo lang siya. And you being here means so much to me. Kasi pinakinggan niyo ako. Kaya salamat.
Yung clip na nakita po ninyo was me having shortness of breath na kahit ano pong inhale yung gawin ko ng hingang sobrang lalim, parang hindi umaabot sa lungs ko yung aking paghinga. Parang hanggang dito lang sa aking lalamunan umaabot. Sobrang shallow na para akong nalulunod. Tapos yung kabog ng dibdib ko, rinig na rinig ko sa tenga ko, hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit nagpapalpitate akong bongbongga. Yung luha ko, tumutulo siya ng involuntary na hindi ko naman gusto, na hindi naman ako umiiyak. Kasi ako, alam ko yung sarili ko, pag umiiyak ako, nauuna yung uhog eh. Tapos, pag umiiyak ako masakit sa ulo, ito hindi, parang magugulat na lang ako, ay basa, ay ba't ako umiiyak? Parang ganun. Tapos pag nakikita nyo gumaganyan ako, ibig sabihin yan, kinakalma ko yung sarili ko, kinakausap ko yung sarili ko na, Krisell, huwag ka matakot. There's no need to fear. Don't be scared. Calm yourself down. Everything's going to be okay. Parang may mga inner dialogue ako na ganun. So, medyo nasa-stress si Mami Kris nyo ngayon kasi that time na nag-take ako ng video na yon, when I took that clip, hindi po ako stressed out, hindi rin ako galit, hindi ako malungkot, hindi ko maintindihan kung anong pinaghugutan ng moment na yun. Ba't ako nagkaroon ng ganong episode? Actually, this is the second time na nagkaroon ako nun. Maintindihan ko pa yung first. The first time na na-experience ko ito, mas malala, that was when I was filming yung Rich Mom episode with Heart. Prior to filming that segment, sobrang stressful yung pinagdaanan ni Mami Kris na work-related, which I will be telling you guys sa isang story time or another video if you like. So, hindi ko talaga alam kung anong dahilan ba tayo nagkakaganito. So, I better have this checked. And I have to meet with my therapist. Because I cannot really afford to have this takeover kasi ang dami ko pong kailangang roles na gampanan. Halimbawa, pagiging asawa, lalong-lalo na pagiging nanay, at saka syempre, nagtatrabaho din ako, working mom din si Mami Kris. Pero there are days talaga na sobrang, I get so overwhelmed with everything that is going on and I just let myself cry for like 10-15 minutes straight. As in, iyak lang ako. Para lang talaga, yung gano'n. Yung talaga, mabitawan ko man lang saglit yung bigat na nararamdaman ko. Pagkatapos nun, I have to pick myself back up, buuin ko rin yung sarili ko, and then deliver. Parang gano'n si Mami Kris ninyo. Having said all of that, babalitaan ko kayo kung may diagnosis ba, or stress lang talaga ako, or overwork lang si Mami Kris, or nababurnout ba ako, whatever. So that's going to be a separate vlog. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to take care of yourself. Take your vitamins every day kasi you have to show yourself na you love her too. Okay? So, see you next time. Bye!